Blizzard warning now in effect until 6 p.m. Alaska's STA Friday. What? Blizzard conditions occurring. Travel will be very difficult. Wind gusting as high as 45 miles per hour will cause whiteout conditions and blowing snow. Sinking to 10, drifting of the snow is likely. Travel will be very difficult. Where? From Point Way West. Additional wind until 6 p.m. Friday. Cold wind chills low as 45 below zero will cause frostbite as little as 10 minutes to exposed skin. Strong winds will persist through Friday, continuing to produce blowing snow that reduced visibility to 1/4 mile or less at times. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions were expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibility are likely. This will lead whiteout conditions, making travel extremely difficult.